Cecilia, there are so many things I could say to you here in this moment. Some have already been spoken in the open words. Some I've thought about and I've surely forgotten. Some I'm confident I'll think about as soon as I'm done reading this. Because there's no shortage of amazing things to talk about when it comes to you.
I promise I'll keep on loving you this way, and better, when time requires change.
Cecilia, I am so grateful we get to spend the rest of our lives together. Thank you for choosing me. I love you now. I love you always.
Honestly, watching you two, even a rational person like me had to admit something.